This 2000 rupees will be
Mine.
yours. Okay, if you are able to catch it. So it will be yours if you are able to catch it. What is the rule, Chinu? So what is the rule? What is the rule? Tell me. Yes, what is the rule? Here, what will you do with 2000 rupees? You have just come from Maldives, Goa, na? Then I don't think that you need 2000 rupees. If you are able to catch it, then it will be. पता लग गया रूल पता लग गया ना अगर ये पकड़ लिया तो आपका इसको देखो ना मुझे मत देखो yes
maybe when we are talking, our concentration will not be on the note, it will be on talking.
wait once again we will not talk anything okay so we are not talking anything
Maybe because of the air pressure.
Our reaction time may be less.
okay so what is the explanation
We have to catch it in a reflex action.
okay what do you mean by that high five or reflex
Reflex action means quickly we have to catch. We have to see the note and catch it quickly.
okay
So we can measure like that the speed, how much at how much speed the signal goes to our arm to catch the note.
okay
If our reaction time is very less, then we can drive a car very easily. Because if something comes in front, so we have to take turn very fast. Our reaction time should be very less. So if when we are drunk, that time reaction time is so long that we crash. So it is a rule not to drive after drinking.
You all are around 12 years old. Okay, I am exceptionally older. Let us see age affects reaction time or not. Okay. 21. 21.
Make Subrownie.
14.
Make Tanish.
13.
Make Subra.
14.
Make Tanish.
Okay, so it means age is not having factor.
Yeah.
Okay, up to some extent. आराम से आराम से
Little finger.
Good signal. Reaction time is the time taken for our body to change or react after we see or feel the change, and reaction time is measured in seconds.
Speed of our body, that how fast from eye signal goes to brain that something is happening, and then the signal goes to our body that what we have to do. If we are catching something or throwing or kicking something very fast, it means our reaction time is very less. It means that our brain can process everything very fast and decide what to do next.
Time in which we react to the surroundings is called reaction time.
Reaction time is the time in which we react to something. We always prefer less reaction time.
I recorded reaction time of left hand and right hand of some people. Mostly the hand with which they write has less reaction time as compared to the hand with which they don't write.
Why is reaction time important?
Because I can get license and anyone else also.
Okay.